We're just sitting at the top of a hill here in the shade. We'll have a little look around today. It's again another hot day, beautiful day. Some fantastic views from this side across the fields I look into and walk across often. But some lovely views from this point. Scan across. Yeah, Friday the 12th of August today. So we can see what we can come across really. There's the views there. Yep, let's get going. Fluids are on board. Let's see what we can find. Just looking in here, I can't believe I've missed this little dunnock nest. It's gone, of course, but there is still an egg in there, as you can see. Yeah, right at the base of this young hawthorn. I pass here many times, completely missed this one, and there it is in there, just a young hawthorn tree, base of it, what's that, 2 foot off the ground, and there it is there. Missed it. Never mind. Let's take you through these woods now. We've got a bit of shade, nice little breeze blowing through. We'll see what we can find along here. See if there's any activity. Very quiet, but it's cool. Nice little area closer to where I live. We'll go over the little metal bridge in a second where I found that that first wren, which nothing ever come of, but it was still nice to see it. Yeah. Here it is, here, just a little metal footbridge. Quite a drop off there, actually. But that's a nice section of wood as well, which I'll track a bit more next season. Always hear the wren here. The water that flows down through there. Doesn't smell the greatest, but nevertheless it's a good habitat for the wrens, robins, songbirds. I'm very surprised I've had a dipper on here, but yeah, or a wagtail, but you live in hope. We'll see next year. Yeah, like I say, it's a fair drop that one, but you can, it's a high bank side and you can get down. There is one section a little bit further down, some nice woodpeckers holes there, but you can get down pretty close to the bottom. There's a lot of craggy areas down there as well. It's where that robin with chicks was found, very high. That was nice to see. But yeah, I'm just going to track a little bit more through here. These overhangs I like to check. It's given me nothing this season, but it's certainly a good little area, potential. Let's track a bit more. God, it's been hot today. I know I bang on about the Yellowhammer, but that was a nice little story, that. I'm going to put some footage on of that and the update, in particular that one that was being questioned. 2 chicks, 2 eggs left in the nest, infertile, and the question mark was did them two get out. Excellent, but I'm going to have a sit down look a little bit further. This is a nice little area here, actually. There's a lot of young gorse here, which will certainly be worth a little look. There's some isolated spots of gorse, but yeah, that little section there, there's a lot of farmland down the bottom there. Some lovely views again, but that holds potential for next season and seasons after, really. Good. See if we can get anything out of them forthcoming seasons. I like to go up this way. My God, there's a lot of muck spreading. Oh, that was a beauty. I missed that. I think that was a young song thrush there. Just lifted up out of this grassland here. But potential quite a lot here. A lot of black bramble, a lot of ivy overhangs, holly, nice brambled area in there. But yeah, oh, what views there. Anyways, I think I need that drink. There's a little brambled area there. Oh, there's one thing, I'll just whiz you back around this tree, because what I see in here, there, I always look upon it, well, I've certainly this season concentrate a little bit on it for any potential activity, jackdaws, kestrels, the tawny, because it is big enough, but it holds, and it certainly did earlier in the season as well. Then it's still a lot of activities you might pick up on camera. There's a lot of wasps, so the wasps are in there as they were earlier in the season. There's another big, quite a decent hole around the other side there as well, burned at the bottom like. But anyways, that's wasps fill that area now. Right, I'll click off, and if there's anything else I'll click back on, but I just want a little walk through my to where I am local now. There you go. That to me looks like a green woodpecker's hole. It's very neat. See there, it's in a big tree, this one. It's not rotten, very much alive, but yeah, that's a nice entrance, and that looks to me like the green woodpecker. I'll have a look at that next year. Just got some great news on the Yellowhammer front. That one I was questioning, 2 eggs, 2 chicks. It has tallied because they definitely have getting out. I've just been back across the site. I heard the Yellowhammer. The male was sat up in the hawthorn there, giving his call. When I've looked in and around the nest, both chicks were seen. They scuttled off, so they're obviously in here. They haven't moved very far from that nest, and they'll be being looked after by the parent birds, which will be feeding them over the next 2 weeks. But it's confirmation that them chicks did get out that nest. I'm over the moon. I've seen them. I've seen the youngsters in these gorse bushes here. Fantastic. And both of them, both youngsters. One a little bit further around, but one's very close to the nest. Excellent, excellent. Just turned the camera back on because I just want to show the Yellowhammer is now over in that gorse. I want to see if I can get a listen that call, because I am close to the gorse bushes where the 2 youngsters are. But we'll just listen. Wind's picked up a little bit. I hope you're getting that through. But yeah, he's over there in those holly bushes over there. Yeah, that's the call. Well, when you just can't get over the stile, get yourself home, absolutely exhausted. Dear me, will not let me pass. Look at them. I need to get over this one, over that one there where the gate is, and then just not let us. Stuck at the stile. It's got back up. Got to be careful with these females, with these calves. How the hell am I bloody going to get over there? Let's get moving. Come on. So do you not move? Got his little calves here. God. Come on then. Oot. Right, skedaddle. She's not moving one little bit. Look at this, man. And you want to get over there. Head on up there. Fence it is. Fence it is, son. Let's get the barbed wire against through my welly boot. Right. Got over at that little fence post there. God. Hey, get over that one. There's no way they will end past. That's a bull. That's a bull, lad. Look at that bad boy. Shit, man. He's the crook. He's wanting to be on top of that one. No wonder these were a bit iffy. I didn't even see him in amongst them. Shit. Back where I started, I did have to get over that fence, the barbed wire fence section. As you can see there, them cows block them two stiles that I needed to gain access to get to this point where I'm sitting now, where I started off this morning. What was scary was the fact that I didn't even see, when I was stood near the stile, I didn't even see the bull in there. I know like females can be quite aggressive with the calves and you have got to be careful. But the bull was there in amongst them. How I bloody missed that, I don't know. But anyways, I had to clamber over that barbed wire fence. It's one where the top section was rusty and you put your foot on and it seems to be like a pendulum at 100 miles an hour. It's one of them ones. Wobbling back and forth when you're trying to get your other leg up and over. So trauma at bull gate there. Again now, as if I wasn't knackered enough. Anyways, I'll cut this video now. Next few days I have got off as well. I'm just gonna have a little bit more look around local. I'm not going very far. See what's still in and around, see what I can catch on film. But it's been a nice walk today, I have to say. Nice one. Anyways.